The anti-inflammatory and cancer-preventing properties of certain meals and vegetables come from their high concentrations of organic compounds, which include antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Your diet in old age can either contribute to or protect against prostate illness like cancer. Impotence, erectile dysfunction, and other serious health problems are only some of the side effects of prostate cancer in men. Men in their later years should eat foods that prevent prostate cancer cells from developing. The foods that can help you from developing prostate cancer are as follows. 1. Fish. In contrast to the inflammatory effects of meat-derived fat, the consumption of omega-3 rich fish like salmon and sardines will not bring on inflammation. Cancer can develop in an irritated prostate. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can help lower the risk of prostate inflammation. 2. Vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage are rich in important elements that can help the body fight off the development of malignant cells. Also rich in minerals and vitamins, cruciferous veggies are. Chemicals found naturally in plants, such as glucoraphanin, have been shown to be effective against prostate cancer cells. Inflammation is one of the elements that might lead to prostate cancer, but this will help keep your prostate in good health. If you prefer them raw to being boiled, cruciferous veggies can be treated like any other salad green. 3. Tomato. Lycopene, an antioxidant, is abundant in tomato skins. That's why they're so high in antioxidants, too. They are most effective when blended and cooked or eaten fresh, and can reduce the risk of developing prostate problems. The pigment lycopene, responsible for tomatoes' red color, is essential for maintaining prostate health. Your prostate will get the lycopene it needs from a diet rich in tomatoes. If you want to lower your risk of developing cancer, eating cooked tomatoes every day is a great way to do so. You can prepare tomato paste for bread, tomato stew, or tomato juice. Thus, tomatoes are integrated into your regular diet. 4. Green tea. The antioxidant levels in coffee and green tea are extremely high. Catechin, found in green tea, is a tannic acid that inhibits cell mutation and helps in the battle against cancer. Regular consumption of green tea can help protect against prostate infections. However, it should be consumed without the addition of sweeteners or dairy.